James Joy Mohon Nichols-Roy, hailing from a Khasi tribal background, was born on June 12, 1884 in Shella, Meghalaya. A prominent figure within the Church of God, a denomination rooted in the United States, Roy made history in 1921 as the inaugural tribal representative on the Assam Governor's Council. His political journey continued with his election to the Assam Legislative Assembly in 1937. Renowned for championing tribal rights, Roy's influence extended to the creation of the Khasi National Federation State Conference, or the KJFSC, in Meghalaya's Khasi Hills under Nehru's guidance. The party's mission was to secure self-governance for tribals across northeast India. His primary focus centered on tribal rights and the imperative for autonomy in the northeastern regions. Notably, Roy played a pivotal role in the incorporation of the 6th Schedule in the Constitution of India, paving the way for autonomous district councils in tribal areas of the Northeast. Today, the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council commemorated the 64th anniversary of Jjm Nichols-Roy passing at an event hosted on the 1st of November 2023 at the council's premises. The chief executive member of the Khadc, Assam, along with members of the district council, paid their respects by placing wreaths at the base of the bust honoring the father of the 6th Schedule.
Done. Right. Stop the load. Slow.
Kenmau ba Kajingdon juga Autonomous District Council for Assam, Mizoram, Tripura, Meghalaya. Kapenlong Shitali ya kajak Riu Riulom kajungi. Lada piong hak benya nujor kiwiki Jack Riu. Kibabun sikim tip shu na iki sedang. Namar bamdan kajing yada ka bakarpang hak constitution hadien ba kari India kelayo yang kajing mai lu. Henry yangi ngidang tip nama ngidang don ya kajing yada. Ngidang don kata ka special provision, special protection hak constitution jabari India. Bab smotenat ban pentip ba executive committee ka bamentaru kelai treshiton ringkat na baro ki em gijongi baro ki MDC lala ban shimnya ka wikarai. Bankhot ye ki research scholar ki pair na kani kari khasi gejungi ki babun ba na ki school ba ki bapau na ki university na ki college ki bapau hapo kanong ba shalong ba ki we shabaru ban shimenta kani ka research program gejungi but ngila identify la ngila shim bandan kumba khat pratali kita ki areas of research Kibalak ban ngam jeliu shushu ya ka thamai jong ka jat benri ujungi ya ka jinglong kerpang jong ka jat benri ujungi ban ya kata ngidang shudap shen hakini gisngi ban finalize lut ya baro kini ki research scholar ban na slow comment ban na dap shisha da kamen sim jong jikmen ban ya thu ba baro ki applicant ki wan kum ba khandai phungut ban shimenta hoi ngimla ban pediang lut baro henre ngila shimno tangkumba saupungut. But kani ondala depth ikani ka research ngets kem kan long kaspa ba na kini ki research ki bangin yo na kini ki research scholar ya ka jingtip ka bakerpang ka bangin don hapok council habe du jinglong kerpang jaga jaga